Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can use the emojis and what is the emoji shortcuts for a Windows 11 laptop or desktop devices. Okay, so let's get into it. And first, let me show you the version of Windows 11 that I have. Okay, as you can see under Windows specifications, the edition of my laptop is Windows 11 Home Single Language version 24H2, installed on January 2, 2025, OS build. Okay, so experience. So you have seen here that I have 24H2 version. So how can we get the, or how can we do the emoji shortcut? So I really like the emoji features here in this Windows 11 laptop, so I'll show you how to do it. And this is a very simple process. So in your keyboard, please look for the Windows key, and once you found it, please press and hold it. And then while pressing and holding it, please click, or please also press the full stop or the dot key. And once you do that, you will see a window that will pop up on your screen. So you will see here now the emojis that you have in your laptop or your desktop. So as you can see that we have the emoji, the GIF, the Kamoji, symbols, and you can also go to this emojis here where you will see the smiley faces and animals, all the categories of the emojis. You will see here once you scroll down. Also, you will see another category. These are the people, and you can change the colors of the, or the light skin tone, the skin tone of each of the emoji. You can base it with your skin tone. And another one is, what's this emoji type? Celebrations and objects. So you can do it by simply pressing and holding the Windows key and the dot key all together, just like what we did. And you will see all these emojis option here. You can also search for the type of emoji that you have or that you want. For example, you want sad emojis. You will see all the sad emojis here. Look at their faces. And you can also search for symbols, the heart ones and everything. So you can find it here. And once you click on that back arrow, you will also see the clipboard history that you have, the symbols, the Kamuji, the GIF. Okay, so if you click on this clipboard history, you will see all the text or the things that you copied in your clipboard once you turn this on. Okay, so that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.